If you're looking for an easy declutter challenge, this one is for you. Join me as I walk you through my easy 28-day declutter challenge. By the end of this video, actually by the end of these 28 days, you will feel like you took some action towards decluttering your home. I know I did, and day one is all about tackling that nightstand. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. Okay, so I've been doing these declutter challenges for a while now on my website and social media accounts, but this time I wanted to do a video version because why not? The point of this easy 28-day declutter challenge is all about bite-sized wins. Each day has a specific task with manageable steps. And the best part, you don't have to follow it in order. Yes, you heard that correctly. You don't have to follow it in order. Feel free to adapt it to your life. I do that all the time. You'll follow along using my free printable checklist, which you can grab by signing up in the link below this video. And guess what? We're not aiming for perfection. Progress, not perfection, is the goal here. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days will look like, and follow along each day on my journey. And with that, welcome to day one of our easy 28-day declutter challenge. Where better to start than the heart of relaxation, your bedroom? Today, we're diving straight into the nightstand. It's one of those spots that can go from clean and clear to random junk pile in no time, right? But not today. Here is your mission for day one. We're tackling the nightstand, or that little space by your bed. I actually don't really have a nightstand, but I do have a step stool that acts like one, and I do have a ledge by my window that we use, so that's what I'm tackling. Whether you have a nightstand or bedside table that has drawers or not, we're going to dedicate some time to giving those areas love, so let's dive in. Your goal is to go through this area and remove anything that is not essential for your bedtime or morning routine. First off, remove everything that doesn't belong. Old magazines, random trinkets, receipts you meant to throw out last year. If it doesn't contribute to your bedtime bliss, it's gotta go. Pro tip: grab a bin for items you're unsure about and review them later. This keeps you moving and avoids decision fatigue. Next, let's show those drawers some love. Open them up and declutter. Toss out dried out pens, relocate stray cables, and mystery items? They don't live here anymore. Trust me, the more intentional you are, the better it feels. Finally, make it yours. Add a touch of personality. Maybe it's a favorite book, a cozy candle, or a photo that makes you smile every time you see it. It isn't just decluttering. It's about creating a space that feels good to you. That's it for day one. Look at your nightstand now. So much better, right? Give yourself a little cheer because you're officially on your way to a declutter-free year. And guess what? Tomorrow we're tackling the next part of your bedroom. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment below and let me know how your nightstand transformation went. We'll see you tomorrow for day two in the next video.
Hey! Before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!